I would say it's another kind of a concept never been introduced in Pakistan. Or it's not just merely we are saying a smart city. We have been bringing all the feature what possibly a private developer can bring in this project, starting from our smart waste management system, IoT based all networks, even the smart street lights. So everything is smart, and even our water supply, our sewage system, it's also sensor based. Well, if you talk about no load shedding, in fact, we have already inquired a dedicated, around 45 megawatt of electricity lines from ISCO. Initially 5 megawatt has been assigned to us. Over the period of 3 years we'll be getting 5 megawatts. Apart from that, we'll be doing street lights on solar system. We'll be bringing windmills, because this all area is a wind corridor, and this will not only help us to achieve a no load shedding environment within this project, but also it's a new concept, because the windmills concept has never been introduced in any other private housing. Yes, already for the university we have already signed NDU. Then we have signed New Tech. That's another big name in science and technology university. Then there is a couple of other universities will be hoping to sign within next month. For out of school children, we have recently donated land to Allied Schools. This school is basically for the children who cannot afford to go to the school, and we have signed that for as a corporate social responsibility. And for the hospital, yes, we are in talks with King's College London as well. We have been in negotiation with Aga Khan University Hospital. So we'll be bringing all the facilities what we have declared in our education city and in our health city. It will be whatever we have promised in terms of education, in terms of health, we'll be doing that, inshallah. I would say it's not just merely a housing society, it's a city. A city have the provision of all the amenities. It caters the lower class, it caters the middle class, it caters the upper class. So this city is not just a residential project, it's an economy, and living in an economy itself is a different thing. Definitely, we are calling it eco-friendly society because the 33% of this land is a green area. In order to achieve a smart city concept, you have to have a AQI level under 100 and sometimes under 60. So in order to achieve that, you have to have a green area. As per the bylaws, we only have to left the green area not more than 5%, but we are leaving it 17% on a proper parks and the green spaces. And if we count on all the linear parks concept which has been introduced recently in Pakistan, never been introduced before, so total green area comes to 33%, which means everyone who is living in smart city, each person have a 20 square meter of a green area.